How to install Netflix in mobile device. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Play Store in your mobile device and make sure you're logged in with a Google account. Now once you land on the home page of Play Store, navigate to bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. Now again tap on the search box and all you have to do is type in Netflix. Then search for it. After that, you will have Netflix at the top of this interface. Now, if you would like to view all the features and facilities of Netflix, tap on it. Scroll down a bit and there you get all types of information about the application. You can go through that, you can view all the reviews as well. Now to install it, you will get an install button right there where I have the update option. Tap on install button and with that your application will get installed. After that, you can simply open up the application and enjoy watching the movies in Netflix. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.